Hey everyone, it's David. Today we're solving the workday lunch dilemma. No more boring, expensive takeout or sad salads. If you've ever stared into your fridge, stressed and hungry, I've got you covered. I've created 7 weight loss friendly wraps that are fast, delicious, and perfect for meal prep. These wraps are packed with flavor, nutrients, and variety. There's something for every craving. Let's jump in and upgrade your lunch game. First up, let's make the Energizer, my favorite chicken avocado wrap. This is the kind of lunch that's not only delicious, but also gives you a real boost of energy to power through your day. Whether you're packing it for work, school, or just need a quick meal at home, this wrap is a total game changer. Start by gathering your ingredients. A soft whole wheat tortilla, some juicy grilled chicken breast, a perfectly ripe avocado, a handful of fresh spinach, and a bright, zesty lime. These simple ingredients come together to make something truly special. Begin by mashing the avocado in a bowl with a fork until it's nice and creamy. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper, then squeeze in some fresh lime juice. This not only adds flavor, but also keeps the avocado from turning brown. The result is a creamy, tangy base that's packed with healthy fats and flavor. Spread a generous layer of your avocado mash onto the tortilla, making sure to cover it all the way to the edges. Next, add slices of grilled chicken breast, warm or cold, both work great. Then, pile on a handful of fresh spinach for a boost of vitamins and a satisfying crunch. If you're short on time, here's a quick hack. Use rotisserie chicken or any pre-cooked chicken you have on hand. It's a huge time saver and still tastes amazing. Now roll up your tortilla as tightly as you can, tucking in the sides as you go to keep all those delicious fillings inside. Slice it in half to reveal the beautiful, colorful layers. It looks as good as it tastes. This wrap is loaded with lean protein from the chicken and healthy fats from the avocado, so it'll keep you full and focused for hours. Plus, the spinach adds fiber and a ton of nutrients, making this a truly balanced meal. Want to mix things up? Try swapping out the spinach for peppery arugula or crisp romaine lettuce. You can even add shredded carrots, sliced cucumbers, or a sprinkle of feta cheese for extra flavor and crunch. These wraps are perfect for meal prep. Just make a few at once, wrap them tightly in foil or parchment, and store them in the fridge. They're ready to grab and go whenever you need a quick, healthy meal. The best part? It's so tasty you'll forget it's healthy. No more post-lunch slump or heavy, greasy meals. This wrap is light, fresh, and totally satisfying. Give this chicken avocado wrap a try and enjoy your new go-to lunch. It's quick, easy, and guaranteed to keep you energized all day long. Next, the powerhouse, beef and veggie power wrap. Use lean roast beef hummus and a rainbow of veggies, bell peppers, cucumber, and red onion. Slice veggies into thin matchsticks for crunch and color. Spread hummus on a whole wheat tortilla. Layer roast beef evenly, then pile on the veggies. Hummus adds creaminess and helps everything stick together. Roll it up tightly, tucking in the sides. This wrap is hearty, satisfying, and packed with protein and fiber. It'll keep you full and energized all afternoon. Eat the rainbow for both taste and nutrition. So much better than a greasy burger. Quick, colorful, and meal prep friendly. Enjoy your beef and veggie power wrap. Introducing the Brain Booster, Salmon and Cucumber Omega Wrap. This recipe is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrition designed to fuel your mind and body. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a light dinner, or a smart snack, this wrap is the perfect choice for anyone who wants to eat well and feel energized. Gather your ingredients: smoked salmon, light cream cheese, fresh dill, crisp cucumber, and peppery arugula. Each component brings its own unique flavor and health benefits, making this wrap both delicious and nourishing. Start by finely chopping a generous handful of fresh dill. Mix it thoroughly into the cream cheese to create a fragrant, herby spread. This step infuses the cream cheese with a burst of flavor and a touch of green, making every bite more vibrant. Spread the dill-infused cream cheese evenly over a whole wheat tortilla. This not only adds flavor, but also acts as a barrier to keep the tortilla from getting soggy, especially if you're making these wraps ahead of time for meal prep. Next, layer on the smoked salmon, followed by thinly sliced cucumber and a generous handful of arugula. The salmon provides a rich, savory taste, while the cucumber adds crunch and freshness. Arugula brings a peppery kick that ties everything together. This combination is not only light and refreshing, but it's also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health, focus, and overall well-being. It's a meal that truly supports your body and mind. Carefully roll up the tortilla as tightly as you can, making sure all the delicious fillings stay inside. Slice the wrap into halves or pinwheels for easy serving and a beautiful presentation. The result is a wrap that looks gourmet, yet takes just minutes to prepare. It's perfect for impressing guests or simply treating yourself to something special, even on the busiest days. This wrap is ideal for busy professionals, students, or anyone who needs a nutritious meal on the go. Pack it in your lunchbox, take it to work, or enjoy it as a quick dinner after a long day. If you want to switch things up, feel free to swap in spinach or mixed greens for the arugula. This keeps the wrap interesting and lets you use whatever greens you have on hand. Here's a meal prep tip. Always spread the cream cheese all the way to the edges of the tortilla. This creates a seal that helps keep the wrap fresh and prevents the ingredients from leaking out. For an extra burst of flavor, try adding a few capers, a squeeze of lemon, or a sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper before rolling up your wrap. These little touches can elevate the taste and make the wrap even more satisfying. The finished wrap is elegant, nutritious, and incredibly easy to make. It's a meal you'll look forward to, whether you're at home or on the move. The salmon and cucumber omega wrap is a total game changer. Delicious, brain-boosting, and ready in no time. Give it a try and see how easy healthy eating can be. For a speedy vegan option, try the Chickpea Crunch Wrap. Mash canned chickpeas with vegan mayo or avocado, diced celery, red onion, curry powder, salt, and pepper. Keep some texture for crunch. Taste and adjust seasoning, maybe a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Spoon the mixture onto a whole wheat tortilla. Add fresh lettuce or spinach for extra greens. Roll it up tightly. This wrap is protein-packed, fiber-rich, and super satisfying. Make a big batch of chickpea salad for easy lunches all week. It's a fantastic meal prep option. No meat, no problem. Just pure plant-based goodness. Ready in 5 minutes flat. The Chickpea Crunch Wrap is a lunch hero. Next up, we have the Light Delight, our turkey and spinach wrap. This is a go-to option for anyone looking for a meal that's both satisfying and refreshingly light. Whether you're packing lunch for work, prepping for a picnic, or just need a quick bite between meetings, this wrap is a perfect choice. Start by mixing light cream cheese with a generous spoonful of Dijon mustard. The cream cheese brings a creamy, mild flavor, while the Dijon adds a sharp, tangy kick that wakes up your taste buds. This simple spread is the secret to making every bite flavorful without piling on extra calories. Take a whole wheat tortilla and slather the cream cheese mixture evenly from edge to edge. Using whole wheat not only adds a subtle nutty flavor, but also gives you a boost of fiber to keep you feeling full longer. Next, layer on slices of lean turkey breast. Turkey is a fantastic source of high-quality protein, which helps build muscle and keeps hunger at bay. Then add a big handful of fresh spinach. Spinach is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making this wrap as nutritious as it is tasty. For a burst of juiciness and color, add thin slices of ripe tomato. Tomatoes bring a touch of sweetness and a dose of vitamin C, brightening up every bite. Remember, turkey is not only lean and high in protein, but it's also low in fat, making it a smart choice for a healthy lunch. It's filling, but won't weigh you down. Don't be shy with the spinach. The more you add, the more fiber and nutrients you get. Spinach is rich in iron, vitamin K, and folate, all of which are essential for energy and overall health. Now, roll up your wrap tightly, gently compressing the spinach and other fillings as you go. This helps keep everything together and ensures you get a bit of every ingredient in each bite. If you like, you can slice the wrap in half for easier eating or presentation. The result is a wrap that's light, fresh, and bursting with flavor. It's perfect for a low-calorie lunch that doesn't sacrifice taste or satisfaction. You'll love how easy it is to make and how good it makes you feel. This wrap is also ideal for meal prep. Make a few ahead of time, store them in the fridge, and you'll have a healthy, grab-and-go meal ready whenever hunger strikes. It's a lifesaver on busy days. Want to mix things up? Swap in your favorite greens like arugula or kale, or add sliced cucumbers for extra crunch and freshness. You can even toss in shredded carrots or bell peppers for more color and nutrients. The possibilities are endless, so make it your own. The turkey and spinach wrap is a lunchtime staple. Simple, satisfying, and endlessly customizable. Give it a try and see how delicious healthy eating can be. The Morning Rush Egg and Veggie Breakfast Wrap is perfect for meal prep. Sauté diced veggies like bell peppers and onions in a skillet. Whisk eggs with salt and pepper, then scramble with the veggies. Add a sprinkle of reduced fat cheese and let it melt. Cool the mixture before assembling. Spoon eggs onto a tortilla, roll up burrito style. Freeze individually for grab-and-go breakfasts or lunches. Reheat in the microwave for a hot, protein-packed meal in minutes. Use any leftover veggies you have on hand. Makes about 6 wraps, great for batch cooking, perfect for busy mornings or quick lunches. Nutritious, filling, and super convenient. The egg and veggie breakfast wrap is a meal prep must. Last up, the sweet treat, rainbow fruit and nut wrap. Spread almond, peanut, or cashew butter on a whole wheat tortilla. Arrange sliced strawberries, mandarin oranges, kiwi, and blueberries in colorful stripes. Add chopped walnuts or sliced almonds for crunch. Nut butter provides healthy fats and protein for lasting energy. Eating the rainbow means more vitamins and antioxidants. Roll it up gently, this one's delicate. Slice into pinwheels to show off the colors. It's a perfect light lunch, healthy dessert, or post-workout snack. Swap in your favorite fruits. Bananas, mango, or raspberries work great. Satisfies your sweet tooth without the sugar crash. Fun, fresh, and totally guilt-free. The rainbow fruit and nut wrap is a treat you'll crave. That's it. 7 quick, healthy wraps for busy professionals. From protein-packed to plant-based to sweet treats, there's something for everyone. Meal prep these wraps to save time, money, and stay on track with your goals. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.